Can cats eat eggs? Unveiling the truth about feline nutrition. Hello, feline enthusiasts. Welcome back. Today we're diving into a common question that many cat owners ponder. Can cats eat eggs? Let's unravel the mystery surrounding this popular human food and its compatibility with our feline friends. Before we answer the burning question, let's understand a bit about the nutritional needs of our beloved cats. Cats are obligate carnivores, meaning they thrive on a diet primarily consisting of meat, proteins, fats, and essential nutrients derived from animals. So, can cats eat eggs? The answer is yes. Eggs are a great source of protein and essential amino acids that can benefit your cat's health. However, there are some important considerations to keep in mind. Firstly, eggs are rich in high-quality protein, which supports muscle development and overall growth. Additionally, eggs contain vitamins, such as B12 and riboflavin, as well as minerals like selenium, which contribute to a cat's overall health. If you're thinking of introducing eggs into your cat's diet, it's essential to do so in moderation. Start by offering Always ensure that the eggs are fully cooked to avoid any risk of salmonella. While eggs can be a healthy addition to your cat's diet, it's crucial to be mindful of potential allergies. Some cats may be sensitive or allergic to eggs, so observe your cat's reaction when introducing this new food. If you notice any adverse effects, consult your veterinarian. In conclusion, eggs can be a nutritious and tasty treat for your feline friend when prepared and served appropriately. As always, it's essential to consult with your veterinarian before making significant changes to your cat's diet. And there you have it, the egg-citing truth about cats and eggs. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more feline-friendly content. Until next time, take care of your furry companions and keep those tails wagging.